Are you ready to make money using AI? In today's video, I'll show you the easiest ways to earn passive income using AI automation. Whether you're a beginner or already in the game, these strategies will help you make money while AI does the work for you. Let's get started. Number 1. AI-powered content creation. AI can now write blogs, generate scripts, and even edit videos. If you don't want to show your face, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper for writing blog posts and scripts, Pictory and Synthesia for generating faceless YouTube videos, Canva and Adobe Firefly for AI-designed social media content. How do you make money? Start a YouTube automation channel or a blogging website using AI-generated content and monetize with ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Number 2. AI-powered freelancing and automation. Freelancing has never been easier with AI. Here's how you can use AI to make money online. AI logo design. Use Canva, Lookup, or Midjourney to create logos. And sell them on Fiverr and earn $50 to $500 per gig. AI voiceovers. Use ElevenLabs to create voiceovers for YouTube and podcasts.
Finally, after wasting 6 to 7 months on this research, I discovered the real secret sauce of viral scripts that they don't share. Yes, you need to do storytelling, but how after you find an interesting topic for your video, do a little bit research.
Sell AI voiceovers on Fiverr and Upwork and earn $50 to $500 per gig. AI-generated ebooks. Use ChatGPT to write and sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle. These AI-powered services can help you earn $50 to $500 per gig with almost zero effort. Number 3. AI dropshipping and automated businesses. What if I told you that you can run an entire business with AI? Set up a Shopify store and use AI chatbots like Tidio or ChatGPT for customer support. AI-generated art and t-shirts. Use Dolly or Midjourney to design unique artwork and sell it on Printify or Redbubble. Automated Amazon FBA. Let AI handle product research and listing while Amazon ships your products for you. AI is changing the way we do business. Start your AI-powered store today and earn money on autopilot. Number 4. AI investing and trading bots. AI can also make money for you 24/7 with automated investing. Here are some tools. Trade Ideas and TrendSpider, AI-powered stock trading bots. Pionex and 3 Commas, crypto bots that trade for you automatically. AI investing is risky, so always start small and do your research. Number 5. AI social media growth and monetization. AI can grow your social media accounts fast and make you money. Here's how. AI-generated Instagram and TikTok content. Use Canva AI and Pictory to create viral reels automatically. AI, caption and hashtag generators. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper create engaging captions that boost engagement. Faceless YouTube shorts. Use Synthesia AI to generate videos without showing your face. Affiliate marketing with AI. Promote products using AI-generated content and earn commissions. Social media platforms pay creators for viral content, so the more AI-powered videos you post, the more money you make. AI is changing the way we make money, and you can take advantage of it today. Comment below which AI business you'd like to start, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making ideas. See you in the next video.